Do you have an error preventing the WMI-to-MI library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Before we get into the technical process for WMI-to-MI library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the WMI-to-MI library, the WMI-to-MI adapter. It manages the unmanaged localized bridge between legacy WMI, Windows Management Instrumentation, and the modern MI, Management Infrastructure. Facilitates localized system configuration queries. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like WMI-to-MI library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the WMI-to-MI library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. A quick warning, many sites offering WMI-to-MI library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing WMI-to-MI library references. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing WMI-to-MI library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.